Welcome back to the channel. Bob the Tool Man here. If you enjoy honest tool reviews, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you do not miss future videos. You can also find full written reviews on my blog at bobthetoolman.com. Alright guys, in today's video I'm showing you the first start of the STIHL MS 172. In this video, I am going through the fuel mixture, getting the saw ready, and then firing it up for the first time. I'll show you the process from the beginning so you can see how the whole startup looks. Let's get started. This is one step you do not want to skip. First, I pour 20 milliliters of oil into the 1.5 liter bottle of gasoline. Then I add another 10 milliliters, making sure everything goes in cleanly. After that, I close the bottle tightly and shake it well so the oil and gasoline mix together evenly. Before I start the STIHL MS 172, this mixture needs to be blended properly. A good mix helps the saw run smoother, start better, and keeps the engine protected. I always do this outside, and I keep the fuel away from sparks, heat, or open flame. Fill the fuel tank with the correct 2-stroke fuel mix. Fill the chain oil tank. Now with the fuel ready, it's time to prepare the saw for its first start. For the first start of the STIHL MS 172, the saw should be set up and started as a cold engine. Before starting, I remove the bar cover and engage the chain brake. I press the throttle trigger lockout and the throttle trigger, then move the master control lever down to the cold start position. Next, I place the chainsaw on the ground. Then I pull the starter grip until the engine briefly fires. After that, I move the master control lever up one step to the warm start position. Then I pull the starter again until the engine starts. Once the engine is running, I briefly tap the throttle trigger so the control lever returns to the normal run position. I let the engine warm up for a short time. There are also a couple of important signs that show the startup was done correctly. The chain should stay stopped while the saw is idling with the chain brake engaged, and you should also see chain oil reaching the guide bar when the saw is running. If anything feels unusual, it is always a good idea to stop and check the saw again before using it further. So that is the first start process for the STIHL MS 172, from preparing the fuel mixture to getting the saw started and ready to run.